Yeah, good morning, good everybody. I have a nice app that will provide you the way to get some little bit of Satoshi. Satoshi is it's like a junior brother to Bitcoin. The limit. Okay, first of all, let me open the app so that you will see right here. You see Ember right here. This one. So let me open so I can see it. It can help you to get if it's like $5 in a month or 2 months time. Okay, you see, right there it's called Satoshi. You see right here, this is Satoshi. 5 Satoshi per 1 hour. The reason I have this is because of I've invited many friends. Look at my friends. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but two are online. You see, 1, 2 are online, but 1, 2, 3 are not online. So what I have right now, per one friend, I have n+2 Satoshi. That's Sat means Satoshi per hour per friend invited. So this is the invest. What I have is $360. This is SAT reward and Bitcoin. So when I have $5, I can withdraw. Now it's just 3.60. So my friends, this app is a nice app that can make you a little bit of money every month or 2 months, depending on your friend referral. If you have friends a lot, you will make your money. But if you don't have friends, it will take you enough time to make the money. So you need to download this app to my referral link. I will post my referral link. Just go there and click it. Join with my referral link. But if you join, they will be paying you when I'm mining, and when you are mining too, they will still be paying you too plus at home. So if you log to my own referral link, they will give you 2 Satoshi per hour because I'm online, and you are still mining, they will pay you 2, making it 4 Satoshi. No, your own is 1 Satoshi per hour. So plus my own is 3. They'll be paying you 3 Satoshi per hour. But if you log in by yourself without going to my own invitation, you have only 2 Satoshi or 1 per hour. So my friends, you need to log in from my own invitation. So I'm going to invite you people, log in and invite other people too, so that you can make money from your friends and from yourself too. And this one is not they are not paying you from your friends, but the app are the one paying you, not your friends or not me or not anybody. So I will send you my referrals. Thank you. And I will post another video, another way to make money. I'll be posting more and more videos on how to make money. This time is counting. When it counts to 000, I will mine again. So every 12 hours. Before was 24 hours. Now it's 12. So this is an opportunity for you to go in. Okay? Thank you. See you guys next time. Bye.